Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Sheikh Faizan and today's date is 12 March 2024 and today's my technical topic is wrapper classes in Java programming language. First of all, what is wrapper class? The wrapper class in Java is provide the mechanism to convert primitive into object and object into primitive. Now, the since J2SE 5.0 boxing and unboxing feature convert primitive into object and object into primitives automatically. The automatic conversion of primitive into an object is known as boxing and vice versa is unboxing. Now I will discuss use of wrapper classes in Java. First of all, Java is object-oriented programming language, so we need to deal with the objects many times, like in collections, serialization, synchronization, etc. Now let us see the different scenario where we need to the use of wrapper classes. First is the change the value in a method. Firstly, Java support only calls by value, so if we pass a primitive value, it will not change the original value. But if we convert the primitive value into an object, it will be change the original value. So we need the wrapper class in method value. And next is serialization. We need to convert the object into a stream to perform the serialization. If we have a primitive value, we can convert it into object through the wrapper class. And next use of the wrapper class is synchronization. In synchronization, Java synchronization works with the objects in the multi-threading. Next is the Java util package. The util package provides the ability classes to deal with object, so we need wrapper classes. And next is the collection framework. Java collection framework works with also object. Only all the classes of the collection framework, for example, array list, linked list, vector, hash set, linked hash, tree set, priority queue, array DQ, etc. All the classes are deals with object only. The next is the what are the classes in Java? The 8 classes of the Java in package, so known as wrapper classes. In Java, the list of 8 wrapper classes I will discuss one by one. First is the method of auto-boxing, the automatic conversion of a primitive data type into the corresponding wrapper class is known as the auto-boxing. For example, byte to the byte class, and char to the character class, and int to the integer class, long to the long class, and so on. So since Java 5 we do not need to the use of the value of method, because we have a wrapper classes to convert primitive data type into the non-primitive or object. Next is the unboxing. The basically unboxing, the automatic conversion of wrapper type into the its corresponding primitive type is known as unboxing. Next, it is the reverse process of auto-boxing, and by which we can convert the object, that is the wrapper class, into its corresponding primitive data types. So the wrapper classes convert the wrapper type into the primitive, and also in Java we can create a custom wrapper classes by using of Java wrapper classes. The primitive data types, that's why the known as wrapper classes in the Java. We can conversion technique easy and makes efficient code for the converting the one data type into the another data type, and we can perform the operations on data type. So it is the main use of the wrapper classes in Java programming language, and it is overall about my topic wrapper classes. Thank you so much.